Tabmow, have you got the hiccups? Have you got the hiccups? Look, there we go. And again. Oh, got the hiccups, baby. You've just had your bottle, and now he's got the hiccups. That's a little bit cute, Tabmow. Yeah, that's a little bit cute, Tabmow, you little hiccups. So little Tabmow is a Southern Hairy Nosed Wombat, and he's now 1.6 kilos. He came in at 747 grams, so he's doing really well. His fur's coming through now, starting to thicken up a bit. He's a bit baldy on the top. He's got hair there, but it's a bit thin. It's like a little old man, aren't you? Hey, little man. So yeah, he's just had his bottle and he's having a little awake time with his hiccups. Where you gone? Where you gone? Hey? Where you gone, little man? You're getting big and strong, aren't you? So his name's Tabmow, and that is actually wombat spelt backwards. So bit of an unusual name. Unusual and cute, isn't it, Tabmow? Isn't it, Bubba? You still got them hiccups. Hey, you still got them hiccups. They'll be gone soon. They'll be gone soon, Bubba boy. Yeah. Scratch your little bum. Oh, is that nice? Good baby. Good baby. Hey? Having a sniff around? Beautiful baby.